guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the new wheels I picked up for the 2023 season. Before we jump into the video though, I'd like to make a quick plug to my new merch. I know this is backwards because it's a selfie camera, but I do have new hoodies and just merch overall, and I have a new website, so go ahead and check that out in the link below. It's togetime.com. This sweatshirt is embroidered as long as with all the other clothing items. They're all embroidered, so no print and stuff, so it's pretty good quality, pretty durable, ran it through the washing machine, and everything checks out. So yeah, anyways, let's just jump right into the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing using my GoPro so I can use both my hands. I already made a cut here, so let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, so what do we have? So these wheels are TE37SLs in 15 by 8 plus 35. So let's go ahead and set this aside. And this is how they come in the box. Very well packaged here. So we're going to take that out. And then they have a cover here. And here's the raised wheel cover. So let's go ahead and take this off. Very nice. So these are the wheels that I picked up. They are TE37SLs in Mercury Silver and 15 by 8 plus 35. And man, they do look good. And they are super light. I can probably throw these a quarter mile. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So again, these are 15 by 8 plus 35. It says on the inside here. It's also stamped on here, and it says made in Japan, etc., etc. It's got all the certifications. But yeah, these are T37SLs. I'll probably keep these for the rest of my life and put them on whatever shitbox I get next. The reason I picked these wheels up is because they are going to be discontinued, and they've always been getting more and more expensive. Every time I've checked on the price of these, they keep going up, and I was able to score these ones for a good deal, and I know that if I ever need the money back, I can probably sell it for more than I got it for. I'm not planning on doing that, but that's the good thing about getting wheels like this, is that they always hold their value and are most likely going to go up in value because they're being discontinued. Cars are always getting bigger wheels and stuff like that, and anyone with a classic Japanese 4x100 car will always look for these wheels. So these are T37SLs, so the difference with the SLs are they are a newer version of the original design. They took off some material to make them a little bit lighter than the originals. And T37SLs, you can usually tell they're SL by the red sticker here, or by the red sticker that's unique to the SLs. They go here on the spoke. I actually might be using the OG stickers that you see on T37s, but yeah. As far as tires, I'm going to be running 225s on these, and then I'm going to be running my 245s on the Koenigs on the rear on track. But for show and street, I'm probably going to run these square. But yeah, let's go ahead and take these to the garage and go ahead and get these weighed. So we've got the scale all zeroed out, and we've got my little transmission cardboard that I used, which, by the way, the motor's ready to drop in. So they are 11 pounds and 9.6 ounces. So I'm going to do something interesting. We already established that this is 11.97 pounds, right? And I do have Koenigs on 225s, CRSs, so looks like about 32 pounds anyway. Let's just say 32 pounds. Okay, so now we have our Koenig on the scale, which has a 225 CRS also. I'm actually going to be moving these tires to the T37s, and I'm just going to use 245s on the Koenigs for the rear. Anyway, here's the weight. We have 34 pounds and 8.9 ounces. So heavier than the T37 as expected. Almost 2 pounds heavier per corner, so maybe 8 pounds total. These tires are also scrubbed a little bit, but yeah, is that worth the price difference? I don't know. Either way, that's going to be my new setup going forward. Anyways, guys, so that's pretty much the video. One more look at them. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, seeing the weight differences. It looks like we were saving about just 2.7 pounds per corner, so maybe almost 3. I guess you could say 3 times 4, 12 pounds total on unsprung weight. Anyways, I don't know if that's worth the premium to you guys. Honestly, I don't really care. I just wanted T37s, and at least it does something. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See the difference in weight with those wheels. And I'll see you in the next one. Again, got the hat and sweatshirt and other merch on the website, even just a sticker if you guys just want to get that. But anyways, the car will be together soon and now looking cool. And we'll see how it does on the track. I know it's been taking a long time, but we'll get it done soon. Everything's ready on the engine, and I'll see you in the next one.